Here is the patient came with a chief complaint of unable to speak, and he's having the weakness in the weakness. दोनों पैर में कमजोरी था. So the patient is complaining that having the weakness on the both lower limbs. पहले बोलने में दिक्कत होता था. बोलने में दिक्कत होता है. So suspected that aphasia, Wernicke's aphasia is suspected on the basis of MRI of the brain. It is found that the temporal lobe lesion was suspected. You can see that. See, no, this is the MRI of the brain. And now the initial is unable to speak. He was just murmuring, and so articulation, even the sensory perception of the speech center was maybe the defective. So on the basis of MRI, it is suspected that patient is suffering from Wernicke's aphasia. Maybe the chronic lacunar infarct. See, on the basis of the MRI of the brain, you can see that patient is having the chronic lacunar infarct involving the parietal lobe cortex and the mass effect seen here. कल से आप ठीक है ना? आप बोल पा रहे हैं ना? हाँ ठीक है ना? So yesterday the patient was unable to speak. He was facing the difficulty in articulating and to understand the word. Now he is fine on the medication. So this was the case of maybe the stroke, maybe then involved because the chronic infarct was found on the brain region of the parietal lobes.